I taught you guys today about a device I use every single day on every single case. It's the EndoUltra by Vista Apex. This is a cordless ultrasonic unit, and it is very powerful. It operates in about 40 kilohertz of energy. It has a titanium activation tips. It's about a 2002, and it's a true ultrasonic energy and cordless device. And one of the concerns that we have in endodontics is vapor lock. And vapor lock forms where there's gas that's trapped in the apical portion, and the gas bubbles need to be removed, and that's what the EndoUltra does. So you also can use the laser to remove this, but I like the EndoUltra because it's very convenient and easy. So I did a little quick demonstration using Vista Blue, methylene blue here, and I dropped it in some water. So as we place it in the water, we'll see the methylene blue kind of settles in one spot. But when I get ready to activate the methylene blue with the EndoUltra, watch how vast the EndoUltra really move this methylene blue around. So imagine you have solutions inside the canal, and then you hit it with the EndoUltra, and look at this. It's almost like a tsunami that happens inside of the canal. And I like to make sure I activate each canal with solutions for at least 1 minute. Repeat that. Activate the canal, the solution in the canal for at least 1 minute. So this is a plastic block where I put some of the solution in. You can see as I activate it, it really goes to work here. And we want to work it up and down. And the key is not binding the tip. If you bind the tip to the side of the wall or in the dentin, what's going to happen is you're going to reduce the availability of the energy. So you want to make sure you keep that tip right in the center of canal so it can vibrate very freely, because if not, it's going to bind and it's going to lose its effectiveness. So this is a 3D printed tooth that I cleaned and shaped, and I put some of the methylene blue in there so you can actually see the EndoUltra going to work here. And again, I like to use it 1 minute per canal, and I like to take it as close to the apex as possible because I want to make sure I remove the vapor lock, and I want to make sure I disturb the biofilm to get the irrigation solution 360 degrees all throughout the canal system, because that's where the bugs hide. The bugs mostly hide in the apical 1/3, and you want to really be able to get down to the apical 1/3 with the EndoUltrasonic tip here. So as we move it around, you can see the solution moving around quite nicely here. And this is a demo of the bacteria in the canal. And as we place our irrigation solution in the EndoUltra, it creates a cavitation, expulsion bubbles that dissipates the bacteria all throughout the tooth, and it assists in cleaning out the tubules in the case. So remember, acoustic streaming and cavitation is the key component of the EndoUltra. And when I said I use it every day, I really mean it.